Look at the capsicum. Bro, never in my life. Wow. But the one that is good is expensive. Unlimited local bus until 2 a.m. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Garima and today I'm in Houston, America's largest tunnel city. तो भाई इस शहर में, जो ये अमेरिका का शहर है, यहाँ पे अंडरग्राउंड टनल सिस्टम है जो कि इस पूरे देश का सबसे लार्जेस्ट टनल सिस्टम बोला जाता है. सो इन दिस वीडियो गाइज आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू द लार्जेस्ट अंडरग्राउंड टनल सिस्टम इन USA in Houston. So look, we have USA flag right here and this is like a downtown area. All the skyscrapers, all the big buildings are in this area, as you can see. So, and in the middle of road they also have like the metro. So in Houston or in USA, even the bus and the tram, everything is like considered metro. They give you like one metro card which you can use, and you have the metro coming right now, just right here, you see. So you can use like this metro to travel around like all the major parts of city, and then you can shift to the bus if you are going like outside. It's quite comfortable and not bad at all. See, it's like a just 2 box because nobody uses public transport in USA, so it's like a very tiny. It's crazy. And then we have again USA flag this side. Now this is like the downtown street and we will go try to enter inside from here, and we are going to use like elevator to go down in the tunnel. You know, it's not like something so special or exciting for me to see the tunnel, but I want to compare it with the Chinese basement or stuff like that. So how different it's from like Chinese underground system. China have these basements and tunnel like in many cities, they are massive, but this one is quite old, and this tunnel was built here in Houston to keep people like cool in the heat of Texas. So Texas is very hot and this was built for like chill vibes, so people can move around in different direction without going in the sun. So somebody told me I can just take this elevator to go down, and let's try. Okay, so it says tunnel directly, so let's go to the tunnel. You see, it literally says like tunnel. And then let's try to walk. So my first impression is that America, of course, doesn't have 1 billion people, so it's very quiet. It's not busy at all, but it's functioning. It's very clean. It's very good. You can see the architecture, infrastructure, everything, and people even have offices inside the tunnel. How cool is that? See, all of this is like underground, and I will Google and let you know like how much feet underground, or like mathematics, I forgot. But first thing I read was like, yeah, there is a big underground tunnel, like all kind of shops and everything. So bro, this is like not busy, but this is so good. It doesn't even feel like you are in the tunnel. See, you find a food court now. So apparently people who are working, when they have off time, they come here like for lunch and all kind of stuff, for coffee. Oh, I think there is even Indian food. If not, let's see the menu. I'm little bit hungry. Maybe. Let me see. एंड भाई शाम को ये बंद हो जाता है क्योंकि जो लोग होते हैं उनका छुट्टी हो जाता है जॉब से, तो वो लोग घर चल जाते हैं, तो ये भी बंद हो जाता है. Guys, Indian cuisine is closed. Let's go another one. Yeah.
Yeah, right here. Okay, yeah, sorry. Have a good
See,
one.
there is more stores. Baked potatoes. No, I don't want baked potatoes. Okay, so the difference with the Chinese one is Chinese also have like something like this in many cities, like for kilometers and kilometers. But that is busy because China have 1 billion people, right? This is not as busy. Why this is not as busy because of course America doesn't have 1 billion people. So there is a security. What's that? भाई खाने पीने की बहुत सारी दुकानें हैं. There are so many eateries. See the menu in America. Okay,
Which is this it?
you can exit to city center. So नहीं अभी हमें बाहर नहीं जाना. Let's try to walk more straight. And like these are all the shops and things that you get. And that's it. Okay, so there are different. Bhai, this is not as continuous as the Chinese one. Like the end is like so soon already. Let's go this side and see. This is also exit. Okay, now let's try to enter from another side. भाई चाइना वाला तो कंटिन्यू चलते रहता है बहुत दूर तक. So guys, we just took samosas inside the tunnel. Look, I'm still like inside. And this is like a American canteen experience inside the tunnel. Imagine that. Let's do the taste test. So samosa is a bit expensive, like $2 expensive. I paid like $4.20 for like 2 of them. So and like the size is small, so I will say this is expensive. But the main food, like if you have to eat chapati, rice or sauce curry, that's not expensive. But the snack is, but it's okay, not bad. Bhai imli ki chutney nahi di. He didn't give me tamarind sauce, he gave me mint sauce. Who eats samosa with mint sauce? Everyone eats samosa with tamarind sauce. 1, 2, 3. Okay, samosa is good. Mint sauce is not good combination. There should be imli ki chutney. Like 100% there should be tamarind sauce with this. Guys, so this side of tunnel system, like it's done very soon. Now we have to go maybe in the another direction and find out. So it's not too continuous, at least not on this side. So let's go to another one. I don't know. Yo, I came out some other street. बढ़िया भाई. मेरा फ़ोन आई हैव. इस जगह का नाम है यार कॉमर्स टावर्स. सो दिस वाज अंडर कॉमर्स टावर्स बिल्डिंग. एंड सो ऑल दीज बिल्डिंग्स हैव टनल्स अंडरग्राउंड. भाई चाइनीज़ बेसमेंट्स, इट कैन गो 2 kilometers long without any end. And they are more busy. But this one is also good and very well maintained. So yeah. So guys, in Houston I did couch surfing. So there was option of Airbnb also, but it was like little bit far away from the town. But I'm with my host today. She brought me to the grocery shopping. Abby, say hello.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Same here, Abby. So guys, America is so much fun and everybody is so welcoming. So today I came to the grocery store with my host and she's like shopping inside. And ye dekhe bhai, this is like one of the grocery store from Texas. So she told me this is only in Texas, like this company or this branch or whatever you want to say, because in USA most things are like company based or like big departments. There is like very difficult to find organic small scale stuff. It's very difficult. Mostly everything is like big companies. So let me show you around. सबसे पहली चीज़ देखिए भाई, बाहर they have these plants. Oh my god, I have this in my house in India. I mean, I don't have it, my mom have it. Like, I think so. Guys, my mom have this plant in India. So they are selling this plant stuff. That's the first thing, like outside. And price is $5 for one. So not bad for American price. See this one, lavender, so cool. So that's how you enter, and then we enter now inside. Like, see, more plants. So then you enter inside and they have some other stuff, and then you go to the like main supermarket area. Welcome to the first grocery store in USA that I came to. And guys, to make vlog, America have much better vibes than what I felt in Europe or around busy western areas. So America is much more comfortable to vlog, I swear to God. It's so cool. See, they have fresh strawberries, man. This is cheaper than South Africa. What? Bro, this huge box is like, I think, just $2.42. Bro, this is cheaper than South Africa. What the hell in the earth? I was in South Africa like 3 months before, and prices were much more bad than this. Yo, in this video guys, we'll see how the grocery store works in America and what are the prices. I'm going to give you like the real review. Let's go. Okay, so this one, they are calling it organic, okay? This one is not organic. And now see, this one is like organic. And even though organic one is not bad, like $4 for raspberries, I mean, it's good. Because see, you have to consider that in USA the salaries are also $2,000 or more. In South Africa the salaries are not $2,000, so logically that is more expensive, man. What? I'm shocked. This side they have cutted fruits, like fresh fruits. How much? Like a big box is $7. Not bad. But is this one organic or not? I think it's better to buy those ones and then cut it yourself. It's much cheaper. See, they have all kind of stuffs like mixed berries with kiwis, $10. Oh, it's a big box. See, this is good. Nice. So just because they have pre-cut it, it's like $2 extra or $3 extra. If you cut yourself, it's $3 cheaper. So interesting. Gajab bhai. This is mango and strawberry for $6. See, just because they cut it. If you buy like without cut one, it's cheaper. It's much cheaper. So ये भाई पहला सेक्शन है जैसे ही आप एंटर कर रहे हो फ्रूट्स का. एंड कैप्सिकम्स bro, see this one. I don't know, even in Europe I see. Okay, so some people have this fake assumption that food in Europe is so organic and very good, blah blah blah. Coming from a village in Odisha and traveling around Africa so much, I can tell you food in Europe is also not organic, no matter what they say. In Odisha, in my village, tribals are growing completely organic food themselves, and taste and quality, everything is just so different whether you're in Europe or America. Look at this tomato, man. Jesus, it's like giant. Bro, is this real? Eh? Yo, look at the size. Is this a real tomato? Oh my goodness. This is not like real food. I mean, it's food, but it's modified. Look at the capsicum. Bro, never in my life. Wow. Thank God I'm born in Odisha. What is this? So people who have been eating this their whole life, they cannot understand what real food is. For them, this is everything. Okay, then they have option of like good tomatoes also, so you can choose if you want the good one or the bad one. So here they have small tomatoes. Guys, this is little bit closer to fresh, so I approve of this one, even though I didn't eat it and tasted it. But normal food, like 80% of the food should be of this size. So even there can be smaller tomatoes than this, but this is like a normal food. That side is like insane. Never in my life I saw something like that. Wow. Yo. See, there is more. Okay, this one also looks good. This is okay. And yellow squash. Oh wow. Look at this. I mean, there is balance. There is like very chemicalized food, and then there is bit good options, but the one that is good is expensive. So that's what you pay to live in America. If you have to eat good food, you pay more money. Now this is another section, and see, these are like packed foods, like everything is packed, you see. And this is like frozen section, I think so. So look, so much of frozen food, so much of it is like such a big packet for $6. So then I think this one, if you're a small family, you can eat 3 or 4 times just in $6. So when people see like this is cheap, they just buy even though it's chemical. Oh my God, I feel thankful right now to be born where I'm born. Wow. I mean, see, don't take it wrong. There is fresh food also, right? I showed you organic area. But just to eat like the real food, you pay $3 or $4 extra. That is insane to my Indian brain. Maybe not Indian brain, but at least to my village brain from Odisha. Because even in my village, I will show you in upcoming videos. I want to start a new project in that area. In my village, like even the corn, like rest of India now eat Americanized corn, but in my village even we have the local Indian corn until this date, which is like so sweet. So this is insane. Why? See, oh my God, more packets. Look at this, man. Wow. Jack cheese sticks. Wow. What is this? भाई सब कुछ पैकेट में है. American life. Oh, is this like soya sauce section? Yes. You have option to buy even Chinese grocery. How can soya sauce be just $1? This is cheaper than India. Wow. So guys, this bottle of soy sauce is $1.38. This one is like premium, like the best quality, So this one is like $4.45. Right now if you buy the premium one in India, it will be like $15. This is cheaper than India. None of the Indians who travel back from America to India, they tell us that some things are cheaper in America. They don't tell you. Whenever American Indians, they go back to India, they say, oh, we are suffering, everything is just too much, blah blah blah. Please tell the truth. Bhai, this is cheaper than India, bro. Like, this is the best quality soya sauce. It says premium. Wow. Yeah. So this is like the Asian grocery section. Touring grocery store in USA.
And then you put it over here and it has the weight.
Then you
right
just
here.
pay. So guys, this is like a self check-in area. Wow. Okay. Now I'm at the metro station. So it's like 2 box or 3 box metro. A very small tram, but it's very convenient, very easy, very fast going and very cheap. 1.25 USD for 3 hours. That's the public transport in Houston. And I think it's arriving like in 1 minute. So ये देखिए, you can like literally buy a ticket so people understand how to move around in Houston, and they have something written in Vietnamese and Chinese, or this is Korean or Japanese, I don't know. So you can buy the ticket here and they accept these payments method. So Visa, Master, Apple Pay, GPay, blah blah blah. आप लोग इसके थ्रू कैसे भी पे कर सकते हो. And wait, let me see. Okay, tap for English. See, available in 3-hour option, 1.25. Unlimited local bus until 2 a.m. So like for one day, $3. And you can use like 50 times or 10 times. It's only $3. It won't charge you extra, which is why it's so cheap. Like, transport in India is not this cheap right now. This is crazy. See the price. 3 hour, $1 only. Whole day, $3. And बढ़िया, like, not bad. मैं भाई जिस एरिया में रहती हूँ वहाँ वापस आ चुकी हूँ. एंड दिस इज़ Houston City College. So you see this building is like a college. It's very quiet भाई. This is like very quiet. तो ये एक कॉलेज प्रॉपर्टी है. एंड ये पूरा एरिया जो आप लोग देख रहे हैं, ये रेसिडेंशियल एरिया भी है एक तरह से. रोड पे ऐसे ही गाड़ियाँ पार्क रहती हैं. तो क्वाइट ओके, क्वाइट गुड. बट देखिए कितनी शांति है भाई. नोबडी इज़ आउटसाइड. इट्स ओनली कार मूविंग्स, दैट्स इट. आई एम स्टिल शॉक्ड that this is a populated area in America. This is like so easy going, at least compared with India or China. बढ़िया भाई. हमारे like in our villages we have such vibes. In our towns we never have this much quietness. Wow, like two different worlds. It's not the same at all.